The seventh sum is from the following particulars of Maria Limited and Kala Limited. Prepare a common size income statement for the year ended 31st March 2019. So the details given in the sum is revenue from operation, other incomes, expenses. Now let's take a look at the common size income statement of Maria and Kala Limited for the year ended 31/3/2019. So the basic difference between comparative income statement and common size income statement is, in comparative you have to compare and get the percentage, but in common size we are going to take revenue from operation as a common denominator or the base for the division. Right, that is the only difference. Other than that, the income statement format doesn't change. It is always revenue from operation, other incomes, total revenue minus expenses, profit before tax, and if they give you a percentage of income tax, it will be subtracted from profit before tax and the answer will be profit after tax. Other than that, there's no changes. So first what I'm going to do is, I'm just writing the format of the common size income statement. So particulars, Maria separately I have taken, Kala separately I have taken. So for Maria it's an absolute amount and percentage, for Kala it's an absolute amount and percentage. Next I write the formula or the format of income statement, revenue from operations, etc. Next step, I am going to include the values into the solution. So I am going to copy the figures from the question into the format. So now I have copied the figures from the problem into the sum. The thing is, for Maria Limited you have to write the absolute amount, the amount over here. For Kala Limited you are going to write the amount over here. It won't be beside each other like a comparative income statement because we are not going to compare. Right? So first we will finish the calculation for profit before tax and then we will go into the percentage. So when you calculate revenue from operation, add other incomes, your total revenue will be 1,10,000 for Maria. First I will finish off Maria. Then total revenue minus expenses, 1,10,000 minus 70,000, my profit is 40,000. Now when I calculate Kala, 2 lakh plus 30,000 is 2,30,000 minus 12,000 will, minus 1,20,000 will give me 1,10,000. So I've got the profit before tax for Maria and for Kala. Now we have to calculate the percentage. So if you take a look at the heading itself, percentage of revenue from operation. So this revenue from operation is going to be the base. Right? So if I'm going to calculate for Kala, I'm putting the working note over here. So the first one I'm going to calculate. So first one, again it's revenue from operation. So 1 lakh divided by, your denominator is also going to be 1 lakh. Into 100. So obviously it is 100%. So if you take that particular item as a denominator, the percentage will be 100% for it. Right? Now for other incomes, it is going to be 10,000 divided by 1 lakh revenue from operation into 100. So my percentage will be 10%. I am doing it for Maria alone first and then we can go in for Kala. Next, 1,10,000 divided by 1 lakh into 100. So it will be 110%. Next, 70,000 divided by revenue from operation 1 lakh. So it's going to be 70%. Lastly, 40,000 divided by 1 lakh into 100 is 40%. So this is how you are going to calculate for Maria. Now next we can move on to Kala. So when you calculate for Kala, now the revenue from operation changes. It is 2 lakh. So this 2 lakh is going to be your denominator. So for the first one, when you do, again it's going to be 2 lakhs divided by 2 lakhs into 100. So it's going to be 100%. So as I told you, when you take this revenue from operation as a denominator, then when you are calculating the percentage for the revenue, then it is going to be the same 100. Then next one, 30,000 divided by, now your denominator is 2 lakh into 100. So that's going to be 15%. So next, 2,30,000 divided by 2 lakhs into 100. So 115%. Next is 1,20,000 divided by 2 lakh That is going to be 60 percentage. Next, 1,10,000 divided by 2 lakh into 100 is 55 percentage. So this is a simple common size income statement sum.